Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, the weather in the United States is mixed with heavy snow falling across parts of Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, and into Wisconsin. Here in Chicago, we're getting some heavy rain. So probably some people will look at that as replenishing the soils as we go into the spring, and we'll see what kind of follows after that. Down in South America, some showers across northern Argentina, but most part, 2-week forecast for Argentina is drier than normal. We're also noting that northern Brazil continues to be drier than normal, and parts of central Brazil is getting too much rain. So we'll just kind of see how all this unfolds, but overnight soybean prices are up 7 to 8 cents. Corn's up a penny and wheat's up 3 to 4 cents. The wheat market might be supported by the fact that funds continue to be record short, and the U.S. forecast continues to call for drier than normal conditions across the southern plains. Export sales last week, wheat sales running 9% behind a year ago. USDA is looking for an 8% decline in exports. Corn sales running 23% behind. USDA is looking for a 16% decline. Bean sales running 13% behind, and the new USDA forecast suggests for a 1% decline. We're going to see how the government shutdown affects USDA reports. They had collected most of the grain inspection data last week, so we'll see if there's anybody that turns the switch on and sends the data out to us, or if we're just going to have to wait till they pass some type of budget resolution and get back to work. As far as anything else, funds were buyers of beans, meal, and corn on Friday, sold a little bit of wheat. Still short about 90,000 beans, 200,000 corn, and almost 140,000 wheat. Open interest on Friday went down in the beans, but continued to go up in oil, meal, corn, and wheat. For those who care, the Argentina government rated their first corn crop 45% poor to very poor, 53% of the second crop poor to very poor, and only rated 11% of the crops good. None of it was rated excellent. So I think Argentina crops need a rain, and we'll see how much the funds want to play into this market. Could be some stops above 986 in the March beans. This type of pattern could allow beans to test $10. I don't think the fundamentals in general allow market trade over that price level. Over in March corn, again, we're at 350 level. Doubt if we can move much higher. Last week when I was in Iowa, most of the farmers had not only one, but some of 2 years worth of corn crop to sell on a rally. As far as the wheat market is concerned, it's too short going into a dry season, but there's also too much wheat in the world for the market to rally much. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.